Welcome to Rather Be Teaching. I'm Janelle Carroll, and let's get started. I'd rather be teaching Monumental Learning. This is the final countdown of the monumental creation. So the final winning team is decided by the class taking a vote. And the winner is decided by the class. And for example, in my class, this was the winner. They found lots of text evidence of hyperbole throughout the whole duration of monumental learning. And then they made an epic monument that was really cool that went with the tall tale that we read about. They put some great annotations on there. There's like those little details that they put on there. They also talked about parts, in the story. And then they also said their team did the best because they worked really well together and they tried their best. And the class decided that this was the winner. So what's really great about monumental learning is that intrinsic motivation. Students are so excited and motivated to find text evidence. That's something that a lot of teachers, and I know even for myself, have struggled with. Getting students to look back at the story to find the evidence for what they're trying to write or what they're reading. So this is an amazing strategy, and I really hope that you try this out in your classroom. Like I said, you can really pick any type of story from your Wonders Literature Anthology, and then students, once they find that text evidence, can get those Legos, build that epic monument. And then what's really great is that they're also collaborating, and then they're coming up and presenting in front of their peers. So this is a wonderful strategy, and I hope that you try it out.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.